Algebraic addition rigidly restricts us to combining only like terms, but multiplication is different. You can combine any terms together, regardless of their variables. To correctly multiply algebraic terms, you must strictly follow two fundamental rules. Rule 1 is sign conversion. As shown in the table, multiplying identical signs results in a positive, while multiplying opposite signs results in a negative. Rule 2 is the exponent rule. When identical variables are multiplied, the base remains the same, but their exponents must be added together. Understanding these two isolated rules is the only prerequisite needed to solve any algebraic multiplication problem, regardless of length. To multiply monomials, use a three-step checklist. Determine the sign, multiply the numerical coefficients, and finally multiply the variables by adding their exponents. Take 3x times 5x squared. The signs are positive. We multiply coefficients 3 and 5 to get 15. Note that when a variable has no visible exponent, it implicitly carries an exponent of 1. By adding the exponents 1 and 2, we get x cubed. Our final result is 15x cubed. This three-step framework handles any level of detail, including complex multivariable problems like -4a squared b times 2ab cubed. A negative times a positive results in a negative. The numbers 4 and 2 make 8. Finally, combining the exponents for a and b gives -8a cubed b to the fourth. Visual complexity in algebra is an illusion. Systematically following these three steps guarantees accuracy, regardless of how many variables are piled into a term. Multiplying an outside term by a binomial requires the distributive property. This law allows us to multiply a single term across an expression with two terms. To distribute, pass out the multiplication of the outside monomial to every distinct term inside the brackets. First, we multiply the outside 2x by the inside 3x, resulting in 6x squared. Next, multiply that 2x by positive 5. Combining these results gives 6x squared plus 10x. Try it yourself. Pause the video and distribute -3y across 4y squared minus 2y. Watch your signs. The distributive property is an organizational tool for performing multiple isolated monomial multiplications within one problem. Looking at the first distribution pathway, -3y multiplied by 4y squared results in -12y cubed. For the second arrow, distributing a negative term into another negative term flips the sign to a positive. -3y times -2y is positive 6y squared. Combining these results gives us the final algebraic expression, -12y cubed plus 6y squared. These are the four pillars of the lesson: sign rules, the exponent rule, the three-step monomial checklist, and distributive arrows. Mastering algebraic multiplication comes down to breaking intimidating expressions into these predictable, rule-bound microsteps.